What is up, Math Made Easy fans? So today I am going to be doing the MathCounts problem of the week. Well, there's like 3. And I'm going to probably be doing this every Monday. So stay tuned. Maybe Tuesdays if I'm busy on the Mondays. But definitely subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. And let's get straight into this problem, folks. So we have amusement park themed stuff today, and it looks like over the summer, millions of people around the world visit amusement parks. Previously heralded as the world's largest amusement park, Cedar Point Amusement Park in Sandusky, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong, Ohio, earned that title. At one time, Cedar Point had 72 rides, 16 of which are roller coasters. What percent of the Cedar Point's rides are not roller coasters? Express your answer as decimal to the nearest tenth. Woo, that is a long question, but it is actually very easy, as all that has to be done is to observe that 72 minus 16 are not roller coasters, right? Because 16 are. Over 72 total rides equals 56 over 72, right? Just simplify this fraction and then convert that into a percent. I can see both of these have an 8 in there. You didn't have to do this. I'm just doing it for ease. And we get 7/9. Okay, 7/9. You can watch my video on how to convert things into, like, from percents to decimals to fractions and stuff. It was like the 3rd video ever on my channel, so that was a long time ago. But this is just going to be 77.7%, but it's to the nearest tenth, and actually that's going to go like 7777, so it's going to be 77.8 is our answer. Okay, great, that's nice. So now we're going to go on to the Gatekeeper. So Gatekeeper is one of the tallest, fastest, longest wing roller coasters in the world. Gatekeeper climbs a record 170 feet and reaches a maximum speed of 67 miles an hour. The entire 4,164-foot ride takes an unbelievable 2 minutes, 20 seconds to complete. What is the average rate of speed for Gatekeeper in miles per hour? So believe it or not, half of the stuff we just learned there really isn't going to help us. The only thing that we actually have to keep into consideration is the fact that the ride is 2 minutes, 20 seconds, and that the ride is this many feet long. Okay? Sorry about that, guys. So we're going to just do a series of calculations. And the first one is going to be, I'm assuming this would be a target round problem. So I'm going to use a calculator. Tell me if that's not okay to use a calculator, but I've never done these problems before. So we're going to use the calculator, and I'm sorry for the glare of the light. So what we're going to do is 5280, which is the number of feet in a mile. And then we're going to divide that by our number, and we get this. Now we're going to multiply that by the number of seconds we have. So 140 seconds. What did I just do? Oh, done it. 140 seconds. Okay? So that equals this. Now we're going to take this number. So we're going to clear. We're going to divide 3600. And remember, this is going to be to the nearest mile per hour. So we're not looking to be super precise here. So we're just going to do 177.52. And that equals this many miles per hour. So to the nearest mile per hour, it would be 20. Okay, so 20 is our answer for that. Okay, I hope that makes sense. At first I tried to do this, the first time I tried to record this video, I tried to do that without a calculator, and I'm like, I really don't think that this would be without a calculator, but again, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section down below. That's why you guys have it. So, since standing in line for rides can take up a great deal of time at some amusement parks, serious riders find it necessary to have a good plan of action to make the best use of time. Today, Matt is interested in riding only roller coasters, but he has enough time to ride 12 of the 16 roller coasters at Cedar Point. How many combinations of 12 roller coasters are there, assuming Matt doesn't plan to ride any roller coaster multiple times? So, this is either a combination or a permutation. But think, if I ride roller coaster 1 first and then roller coaster 2, or if I ride roller coaster 2 first and then roller coaster 1, I'm still going to accomplish both things. So that is sounding like a combination to me. So remember the formula for combinations. If you got something that looks like this for this problem, 16 factorial over factorial, and then this is close to what we're going to want, but we're not quite there. Remember, when we're doing these kind of things, we have to also add in a 4 factorial. If you think about it, this would be the same answer no matter if we were thinking about the 4 roller coasters we left out or the 12 roller coasters that we did. So here, that's going to be the formula for the combination. And we have, calculating this out, we can just cancel the 12 factorial out of the 16 factorial. So we'll just get 16 times 15 times 14 times 13, over 24, which is 4 factorial. 16 and 4 will just be 5. Did I just say 16 divided by 4 was 5? And then we're going to have, our answer is going to be 4 times 5, because 15 over 3, 14 over 2 is 7, and 13 over 1 is 13. And to multiply all those together, we have 91 times 20, and drum roll please, 1820. Okay, so that's the video for Monday. Monday is Math Counts Monday. Let's go. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and have a nice rest of your day.